Welcome back to Andrea Cleaning and Life Hacks. I bet you never thought of putting baby oil on your windshield wipers. I'm going to show you how to do it so that you have 0 streaks when it comes to your windshield. It's also going to help you revive old wipers. I like to save you time and I love to save you money. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to take some baby oil. This is my favorite. It smells so lovely. You're just going to put it on a paper towel or a microfiber towel, whatever your choice is. There's 2 steps in this process right here. You're going to lift up your windshield wipers like so. Let's take a peek at these ones. These ones are a little bit old, and you're going to take your baby oil and you are going to gently wipe down your wiper blades. You can see right here I already have some rust forming. I have a really cool hack for that as well, but you want to wipe these down. A lot of times bugs get stuck on here, salt gets stuck on here, rocks, and the baby oil is nice because it lubricates it and then it helps pick up the rocks and anything that's stuck on these wipers that's causing streaks on your windshield. One really quick step right here before we get to the best part of this so that we ensure that we have 0 streaks. I like to put a little more baby oil and I like to lubricate the hinges right here in these wipers, anywhere around there so that they move more freely, just like that. All right, the next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip over my microfiber cloth like that. Try to find a clean area, or you can just get another paper towel. I'm gonna use this spot right here. I see there's a little bit oil penetrating. And then you're gonna get some good old rubbing alcohol. By the way, this works amazing for defrosting your windshield. Yes, that or hand sanitizer, so that you don't have to go to the store and buy commercial products if you don't want to. Now you're gonna take your rubbing alcohol right here and you're just gonna go over your wiper blades one more time. The baby oil lubricated it, and then the rubbing alcohol is going to ensure that you have no more streaks. Let's just see. Oh, look at how dirty these were. Not only is it going to work better, but it's going to make my windshield look even more clear. All right, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. YouTube thinks you're going to want to watch this one, and I think you're going to want to watch this one. Let's see who's right.